it's Riley from Science Girl. So today we are going to be doing a special experiment from this science kit that I got for my birthday. It's called Chem C1000. It is by Thames Kosmos. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making it so that we can change blue to red. But here's what we need first. So we need some litmus powder. If you get the kit, you're going to need this so you can pop it off. The measuring spoon, some water, the container for the liquid, and the vial. So first what we're going to do is, I already marked it, as you can see the tiny mark there. So also don't forget to put on safety goggles and gloves since this is a chemical. We don't want anyone getting burned or hurt. So you're going to fill this up to the line, ever so cautiously. So for this we're going to be doing 3 centimeters of water. There we go. So that's that. I'm going to set that there. Now it says to add 3 small spoonfuls of the powder. I'm going to be using this tiny side. So this is what this comes in handy for. So you slide it in right on this side. Now be cautious and you want to pull it up. There we go. Oh man. It's okay, that happens. Just going to have to pick that up. One. 2. And 3. So there we go. Now let's push that back on. Set that there. So now we need to close the tube with the stopper and shake it vigorously for about a minute, I believe. The reason why you put the stopper on is so that none of the liquid leaks out. Also, this is going to take 24 hours for it to settle. So yeah, that's going to be a while. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm back. It has been 24 hours, and here we have our little bit of solution. So what we need for our experiment, let's see. So we need goggles, of course, so let me put these on. Safety first, remember that. A marker, I use this to mark my 3 centimeter mark, which I'm going to remark because it is not very visible. There we go. Okay, so you're also going to need sodium carbonate and citric acid, a little stopper, 2 vials, your litmus solution, 2 pipettes, white vinegar, water, of course, a ruler to measure your 3 centimeters, a scooper, and a opener for the kit. So first, we're going to add 3 centimeters of water into our test tube. There we go. So 3 centimeters. Now we're going to add 6 drops of the litmus solution. Come on. Okay, let me set my pipette down. Alright. Sorry that I'm struggling with opening a little vial. Come on. There we go. Are you kidding me? Okay, so now I'm going to add... Sorry guys, I had to have some assistance. The little top came off and got stuck. So, as I said before, we were going to add about, I'm not really sure how many. We're just going to add as many as it takes for it to turn the deep blue color that says that it should. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stop there and see what happens. Okay, I'm going to add about 2 more just to make sure that we can see it. So 7 and 8. Okay, so as you can see, the solution is a really, really dark blue. Now we're going to pour a little bit of vinegar into this, and we're going to see it turn red. Okay, it seems like we need a little bit more from our pipette. I won't make the colors really stand out. Okay, and as you can see, it's like a light reddish almost. I'm guessing that if you want more results, adding a little bit more vinegar. If you do try this, let me know the results of adding more from this pipette. So, as you can see, this is a nice red. Well, sort of. I know it's not exactly red, but it's close enough. So now we're going to take our sodium carbonate. We're going to add a tiny spoonful of it. Then that's where the stopper comes in. So let's take this, add it to there. A little bit spilled, that's okay. Oh, no. Okay, better let that gas bubble down. We do not want this popping off. Let's take that off. As you can see, there's like a bluish color. Let me mix it around a little bit more. I'm going to add a little bit more sodium carbonate to make sure that we get the full effect. Okay, and then once again, we're going to shake this up. Just a tiny bit, back and forth. There we go, look at that. Okay, so now you can see it went back to blue. So for our next one, we're going to take 1 spoon of citric acid. And this, right away, is supposed to change it right back to red. But for this, I'm going to take the bigger side and scoop. Okay, and ready. Science right before your eyes. Changes right from blue to red. Or at least a sort of reddish color. So now we're going to add some sodium carbonate again to the solution. And it should change right back. So here's some sodium carbonate. Oh! No, you don't. Pop all of that. Goodness. Science is messy sometimes. Not changing back. First I need to get all these bubbles out of there. Goodness gracious. So I'm going to add a little bit more to see what happens. So let me set this down. Another spoonful. Don't need that much. Okay, so now I'm going to try turning it up and down again to see what happens. Within one, oh, okay, there we go. That's air pressure for you. Changed right back to blue. All that took was a little bit of a shake. So as you can see, it changed from blue to red to blue to red and then blue again by adding a bunch of different chemicals. So remember, if you were a kid, wear safety glasses, get an adult's help, be cautious when handling chemicals because no one needs to get hurt. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave your name in the comments below for a shout out in my next video. See you next time, but for now, this is Science Girl.